Hey, can I ask you something? Do you think you need lakhs of rupees to start building real wealth? Here's the shocker: 100 rupees a day can actually grow into 1 crore. Sounds crazy, I know, but stick with me till the end because I'm giving you a simple 7-day habit you can start right now that could quietly move you closer to your first crore. No extra income needed, just smarter use of what you already have. Welcome back. Today, let's talk about why tiny habits, those small daily choices, matter way more than the big salary jumps or jackpot wins. I'll show you how just 10 rupees or 100 rupees every day can change your entire future. And I'm sharing a real story about a regular guy who started small and now has over 1 crore rupees just by respecting every rupee. Be honest, have you ever ignored a 1 rupee coin? Type guilty in the comments. It's okay, most of us have. You know how it goes. We are always chasing the next promotion, the big investment tip, or the lottery win. But here's the harsh truth: is the little everyday stuff, tips on your UPI app, an extra chai here, a random snack there, that quietly steals your wealth over time. Add those up over years and suddenly you're stuck, no matter how much you earn. So, why do these tiny habits beat big plans in the long run? Three reasons. They train your brain to save. Every rupee you put aside makes saving the next rupee easier. Second, compounding. Time lets your small monthly investments snowball into something massive. Opportunity cost. Every 100 rupees you let slip means tens of lakhs lost in the future. So I got to ask you, how much do you think slips away from your pockets every month on these little things? Take a guess and comment below. Now let's get to the numbers that really stuck with me. 10 rupees a day. That chai and biscuit you enjoy. That's 300 rupees a month. Put that into a SIP for 30 years and you get over 10 lakhs. Now imagine 100 rupees a day. Same time frame, same returns, and you cross 1 crore. That's literally the cost of one pizza a week equals 1 crore lost or gain. No magic, just math. Of course, quick reminder: markets fluctuate, returns can vary, and inflation and taxes play a role. What doesn't change is the power of small, consistent habits over time. This isn't theory. There's a guy I know, Ravi, a proofreader in Bangalore. Class 10 pass, modest pay, no fancy degree. Back in 1998, he began investing 500 rupees a month. No big wins. Just skipped unnecessary spends, rounded up bills, and stuck with his SIPs. Today, over 1 crore rupees. Not luck, just habit and discipline. What's the smallest amount you've ever invested? Or a savings hack that worked for you? Share your story, I read every comment. Want to start your own 1 rupee habit? Here's how. 1. Write down every tiny leak this week: snacks, small fees, impulse buys. 2. Identify one leak and flip it into savings. Put that money into SIPs, recurring deposits, or apps like Jar or Gullak. 3. Start small. Many funds let you begin SIPs with just 100 rupees a month. 4. Automate your investments so you don't have to remember every time. 5. And when your income rises, try nudging your SIP up 5 to 10%. Got a favorite savings app? Drop it in the comments. Let's get real. 1 rupees won't make you a millionaire today. The real power is the habit it builds. Because the person who disrespects 1 rupees today will ignore 100 rupees tomorrow and 1000 rupees next year. Building respect for money, even the smallest amount, is what sets the rich mindset apart. Every rupee is a seed. Spend it and it dies. Plant it and it grows into a mighty tree. Think about this. Quietly building wealth from small habits means peace of mind, education for your kids, a home, freedom from money stress. Our grandparents were right. पैसे पैसे से बचत होती है. So here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, track one invisible spend and flip it into savings. Comment 1 rupee habit if you're joining me. Share this with one friend who thinks 1 rupee doesn't matter. And hey, if you found this eye-opening, like, subscribe, and tap the bell for real Indian money thoughts every week. This is Ajay, reminding you: start small, grow big, and watch your crores take root.